An unannounced Nokia smartphone has been spotted in live photos from an HMD Global event. The device, which features model number TAR1099 and goes by the name Nokia X, would be the 10th handset, excluding 2018 editions and variants, released by HMD Global. The images were picked up by Nokia Mob via Baidu Nokiba earlier today and reveal the handset sitting on a display table at an unnamed, presumably Asian, event. While we can't vouch for the source of the information, it looks legit, and the device was tipped to launch in China today. The pictured device features a bezel-less display with a notch at the top, like another popular X-branded device, dual rear camera setup, and rear fingerprint scanner. It also appears to come with a glass and metal body. A potential release date, May 16th, can apparently be seen on the device's wallpaper, which would coincidentally coincide with the global launch of the OnePlus 6. The handset may be known in other regions as the Nokia X6. That device has been previously rumored with a different design, but it's possible that the other renders were inaccurate. It's also possible that they were accurate and the X6 is simply a separate device under the X banner. Until HMD Global makes an official announcement, we can only speculate. The Nokia X6 is rumored to house a 5.8-inch display with 19:9 aspect ratio, Snapdragon 636 chipset, and 6 GB RAM. A low-end variant, with a MediaTek Helio P60 chipset and 4 GB RAM, has also been hinted at. We should have more news on this one in the coming weeks.